Double replacement reaction. What kind of reaction is this? So this is when you have two ionic compounds and the anions and cations of each compound switch around to make two new compounds as the products. So everyone gets a new partner essentially. The general form is compound AB plus compound CD will yield compound AD plus compound CB. This should say double replacement. So clues to recognize a double replacement reaction. You will have two compounds, two ionic compounds, as the reactants and products. So both sides will have two compounds. The reactants are always going to be dissolved in water, so aqueous. They're going to be in aqueous form. And the products, one will always be a precipitate, a solid, and the other will always be aqueous, dissolved in water. Now when you're doing this, you have to make sure that you're properly writing the chemical formulas for the reactants and products. So we want to make sure that our charges are equal and balanced. So that's why it's important to know how to properly write ionic compounds for this reaction. So an example of this that we have seen was when we had the aqueous lead 2 nitrate, aqueous potassium iodide. They're both aqueous. Aqueous potassium iodide and aqueous lead 2 nitrate, and when we combined them, it formed the yellow precipitate, lead iodide, and the aqueous solution, potassium nitrate. And again, our products and reactants are aqueous in all compounds, and they are all properly written with correct ionic compound form, so our charges are equal.